What's up, man? Have fun at the game today, okay? Good to see you.
You got a football for him. You're good. You're good, man.
Jaxon was born with a condition called proximal femoral focal deficiency. It's just missing shortened or abnormal limbs. From the get-go, he's just been determined. He's smart, he has a sense of humor, he makes everybody laugh.
I hear giggles.
He's just that kid that you want to be around. He just wants to be accepted for who he is. Jaxon's insurance canceled in March of this past year, and we were actually supposed to be picking up his prosthetic a few days after his insurance had canceled. And so we didn't get to get his legs that he was so ready to get and walk on. So my mom had this idea to do several fundraisers called Tracks for Jax to try to raise the cost, which was $70,000.
Hey, my name is Jaxon. I want legs, and I would appreciate your donation. If you couldn't donate, I would appreciate your prayers.
It was a blessing. I was in shock. We couldn't believe it.
So we're getting his right socket set up on his knee. And it may look all crazy now, it won't once it's finished.
Feel all right?
Oh my God. I'm scared of heights.
Jaxon loves football. He loves Georgia and the Falcons. I think it's going to be an experience of a lifetime for him. The Falcons!
How you doing today?
I made reference to your life.
So believe in your dream. Whatever you want to do in life, believe you can do it.
It's time for the SunTrust coin toss.
You get to help us toss a coin, huh? You make sure we don't make a mistake, please?
And today's honorary captain is 9-year-old Jaxon Lewis. Thank you for being our honorary captain today.
Until this happened, I never thought there were so many people that cared, because I began to look at the world like it was a selfish place. There's a lot of people that you may have thought were like that came to the rescue in this, and people that you never thought would give. This little boy touched their heart, and it gave them a chance to do something good, and they seen a different side of them. I've seen people change because of this.